Yeah. Yeah. So let's try again. Maybe today more cover other dances too. But let's do. I think for you, for your performance, how you dance, you need to more focus on weight transferring. A little bit legs
I
disconnected
was
from the
not
body.
prepared. I didn't practice. I should have practiced when I came here. Totally forgot.
So let's do that walk when you just walk on the show, just to correct technique a little bit. Yeah. So the way you walk, what you should focus really on the hip over the leg, leading the leg. Yes, walk. Yes, a little bit. It's not enough heaviness over the foot through the weight. Of course, you have your chest, but at a certain moment, your hip should right. Yeah, and that's not happening. Therefore, legs looks a little bit empty. Look, they're just like clank, clank, just like too light.
Next
So
time
try
I'm
that.
practicing first.
So try that. Yeah, try that. So try that. So you go cheek, cheek, cha, 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 cheek. Yes, cheek. So your leg should feel certain heaviness. Yes. Yeah. Okay. I mean, that's not your routine, but it's a technique in any way. Yeah. Yeah. And in general, what it looks like when I see you from the side when you dance is not enough. Mm. Again, that middle part, which is your hip, you don't really, it doesn't look like you give your connection to your partner, and therefore your weight looks like just like hanging there. So you have to pin your weight to him. So this will be exercise for you. Number one, you see, this is my hip. Imagine middle. So I give my hip to my partner. So I want him in my hand. In hand, I want him to feel the heaviness of my hip. Not even just this part, just like the heaviness on the hip. And now let's say when I move away from him, if I have a hook, I want him to feel the heaviness of the hip. I don't want him to feel my hand. That's what you do, and you don't go anywhere. Or, like here. But you want him to feel the hand. So almost like you see my hand is here, and he catch me here, here. And then you're going to reverse it this way, which is a little bit harder. And then you're going to dance in a way where you're going to drive your middle to him or to his hand here. So you're going to drive the needle to him. And that's a little bit will give you more that groundness for your legs, because legs looks a little bit too light. It looks like just like, how to describe? It's just like, look like your step is very fast and very light.
Yeah.
I would rather make it a little bit slower and
More weight.
heavy.
More weight transfer.
More
right?
weight.
More
Yes.
weight transfer. Okay.
And if I say you just, let's say, what everybody teach, let's say pendulum, it's kind of like a half of the story. It's more like a giving your hip weight to your, very good, to your partner. Why is a hip weight? Because watch, I can give you my spine weight, which is very heavy. I can give you my hand, or I can give you my hip weight. So this is what we're looking for this kind of feeling. Because in this case, our upper body will be much more free to do crazy movements. Yeah, pin yourself to me. So let's say if you go walk, walk, cha, 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 walk, walk. Yeah. So give me a hip weight. Don't pass me on the side. Go right into me, right into me, right into me. You pass me on the side.
Okay, directly into you.
You always directly into you with your hip into my arm. Yeah, stay. Yeah, and then go walk, walk, cha, 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 walk, walk. Yeah, you see, like for example, you here. Let's say you have two options. You can either be on the hook, giving your bum weight, or you here on the active go, go, go push with the hip weight. But remember how in Rambo we work. You have to always go, 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 but that's half of the story. You go, go, go with giving your weight to him.
Okay.
You have to give the weight so he can feel in here the middle of your hip somehow. Right. And then when we here, for example, you start your cha-cha. Boom, yeah. So now, very good. Now I feel like your hip is there. And it's not only pendulum. Pendulum is very little part of it. It's like the whole hip weight. Yeah. And see now very good. You see how I led your hip? Very good. Come on, you like it. Do fast one. Now when you go for the fast one, go there and stop. I know it's very difficult, but let me feel the middle of your hip. Like, what it means middle of the hip. Imagine if I do a laser from here to here and from here to here, and it's inside you, it's gonna cross. So it's that point. You want him to feel your hip. Where is your hip weight? Boom, and then all over there, your hip weight. Yeah, so he can lead your hip, and he can send you. And so now you look like you're very like grounded, solid. It doesn't look like, you see, this has no weight. It's just like, but the interesting with you, because you position your feet so pretty, look very deceiving. Looks very pretty, but it doesn't have that groundness to it, and therefore look a little bit rushed, because if you don't give hip weight, by definition, you're going to be a little bit too fast. Because people who give weight, it's like you have to like really make sure he feels it. Then he takes you here. You say, give him here. Whoom. For example, I give him my hip weight. Yeah, I give him my hip weight. Whoom. Yeah, and then we can create power. You see how much power?
Wow.
You feel it?
Wow, I'm flying.
Yeah, he will fly, but you will fly
Not
too.
like me.
No, it seems like very unreal. It's very easy to do actually, but you have to put your mind into here. Let's say you and here, like you have let's say you can speak some language. This is a dance language, and you see, you give your hip weight to him. He feels your hip weight. He can start lead you. But on top of that, you have to be on the goal. So it's not like I'm giving him hip, lead me. Now you become, it's very heavy. So you're on the goal. He leads you. You're on the goal. You're always on the goal. You want to go where? Forward. And communicate your hips. So your attention went lower. So then later you can present for audience, for yourself, all of this. And for your partner, it's kind of this area is important. So go through each step. I want to show you where you don't go. So go slow one. Let's go slow one. Yeah. Cheek, womb. Yes. Cheek, womb, cheek, womb. And go there and stop. Walk and stop after you turn. Go and turn. Yeah. So here, this is the already. Yeah. So here you can be on the hook is okay, but let him feel this part. But this part, remember, is on the goal. Womb. And stop there. Let him feel. So he doesn't see you, right? He needs to feel where this part of yours is here. But this part can fly over there. It doesn't matter. Go. Da 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 da. Womb. Yeah. Let him feel your hip weight here. Let's say when here.
I was grabbing you. Sorry.
Here. So he has to know where you are. You're always going forward, but your hip weight, you direct to him all the time. Your body can go anywhere. Hip only to the partner. Yeah. Ta ta. Yeah. Tick, ta ta. Tick, better. Do you feel him more? Yeah or no? No, this wasn't good. So till here was good. Here wasn't, because you have to be on the goal. So here, yeah. You have to be on the goal. You have to be constantly. He cannot drag you into step because you already fly to the step. Let's say you here on that hook, but you give him hip weight, but your intention to fly. Your intention to fly. Are you?
I was pausing.
You're pausing, and he drag you out. Boom! Everybody see that. So it wasn't.
Okay, so that's continuous. And sometimes I do pause, and then he pulls me. But that was not one of those, right?
Yeah.
No, you pass is okay. You pass with intention to fly. You not pass when he gonna pull you.
Like elastic pause, right? Is that what you're saying?
So it's like a pass.
I'm going to like this and go, right?
No. It's not this. It's like it's more. Let's say I'm pass. This is I'm pass, and then just there. Lead me.
No, that's not.
So now for me, his lead will be always surprise. And now in your head, you have to make attention. Okay, I want to go. So I'm ready to go. So you it's your mentalness to fly forward.
It's like the elastic going, right?
Again, it's a little bit different subject. Elastic. It's like for me, I'm talking more about just mental goal. Go. Are you more talking about elastic where like I straight? Yeah. This is just how you achieve that. But this is like your intention to always go. Intention to go.
Okay.
Elastic, no elastic. I'm like, look, I have no elastic. I'm just going. I'm more like, it's way more simple. You want to go. Let's say if I gonna do that step, walk. You see, you always go. Always like, is it elastic? No, you're always going. Like,
okay, all right, continuous.
You make it complicated. I make it simple.
No, I just need clarification.
So where was elastic here? Maybe somewhere was, but do you try to do elastic? No, I
No,
tried to
this
go.
one I did.
Because it's a change.
Continuous.
Or like
No
Ramba,
pause.
like you do your leg, and just go. You go, you go, you go. No, go. I'm improvising.
Oh,
Yeah. You just go. But you see, because you go and you don't give me hip weight, that's why you go like a balloon. Yeah, so you go and give me your hip weight, right? But is it elastic? I don't know. Sometimes elastic, sometimes it's connected, sometimes
okay.
it.
All right.
But it's your
Right.
like most of girls, they don't have intention to go. They wait. They haven't wait and then react. No,
So I will
that's
just.
When wait is already forward.
you always for. I want to go for. Even you move like where is my intention? Where I'm walking? Like where am I? My intention is always for. Even I go there. Yeah. You always you want to run front in your mind.
Never stop or stay.
Okay, I
Yeah.
will try.
So
And give him your hip weight with intention to go. Yes. Let him feel your hip weight. Go. This is a little bit here. Go. Now go. Just go. Just go. Very good. Gigi.
Ah, sorry.
Okay, so this one is,
I had to
yeah.
think about this.
No, this is already better. So here, you did chew, let him feel your hip weight. Now here, you must go on very powerful hook. Very powerful hook. Yeah, with the hip. Cha, one. Yeah,
feel change
but
space.
hook with the booty. Yeah. Do this exercise what you did to Marta today. I like what you did this exercise. So exercise looks like this. You bump to him and then your hand slides and you just sit there. You bump. You see, I'm sliding. What is I'm hooking? Is it arm hooking or it's a bump? Like do this exercise.
Always stay and
Yeah. Just any leg. Tick, sit there. Dig, tick, sit, tick. Sit, bend to knee here, and now bump to him. Go forward. Boom, and tick. So what you see how you pulling him with the hand? I even see this muscle. Yeah. So your hand, tick. To pull him with your bum. Yeah.
You can feel it a little bit.
And you see, and your hand was like this. Look, my hand. Slide on here, and it's just. Is it really my hand pulling? Or like now, what I'm pulling? See, I'm not pulling. I'm not pulling with the hand, but my hand is relaxed. Yeah. Very good. You see, and your seat is so deep. Yeah. So now take this experience. It's a little bit more difficult, I know, but you can in here and that run the cha, and then you go one. Yeah. So this subject a little bit we want to dig into slightly.
Two, three. Yeah, better. It's good.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Not easy.
Yeah. Two.
Cha.
Whoa.
Yeah. Something like that. Yeah.
Better. Go. Cha. Boom. Boom. Cha.
Whoa.
Yeah. It's a little bit something in the right direction. It's good.
Take practice.
Yeah, because you get used to the arm, or of course, if you lean like this, it's gonna be very strong. Or you pull arm, it's very strong. But this is like you're somehow shortening your arm and you're doing your booty, boom, cha, and then here with your hip, and you meet me a little bit early.
Yeah.
Meet me here.
Oh, okay.
So I feel because you are taking back, so now even I scared now.
Got it.
Because I feel like to bump to you. But let's see if she can do with me. Do that. Cheek. Yeah, okay, so the run, hook, cheek. Yeah, do short connection. And let me feel your bum on that. Cha. I bring you in. Stay in. In. Out. Just bump. Bump to me your bum. This is your chest. This is your bum.
Oh.
Yeah, just in, out. Thank you. In, out, cha. Cheek. Shortcut. Did you communicate to me your hip weight when you landed there? Cha. Stay there. So see, you want to get this. It's communicate. It's a language. So you're like, oh, now you can First of all, he can lead you. Second, because you communicate your hip in the right place, so you can do a hip twist. So it's like many benefits besides just comfort. Yeah, cha-cha, and stop there. Boom. Yeah, so stop. And most of the time you're missing that step. Yeah, just stay here. Can you do this exercise? Rock to me and just go there and just like I'll catch you. Tick. Yes. Tick. Yes. It's something like this should happen. Tick, and then you go walk, walk. Chick, chick, chick. Walk, walk. Chick, chick, chick. Ooh. Yeah. Very good. Very good.
Good. Never stop it.
Okay, so this is maybe enough. This is very fun. You can do it forever.
Yeah.
Let's go with music.
Yeah.
As many dances as we can.
Yeah.
Yes. Are you gone next week?
Let's go.
Are you gone next week?
Let's focus on today. What's the next week?